A very good morning, friends. Myself S.S. Dubey, and today I am going to deliver the lecture on automatic palette changer system. So in this particular automatic palette changer system, what is mean by palette changers, or what is the importance of palette system, why it is needed? Palette changers have been a part of CNC field for several decades. Palette changers belong into the area of setup and work holding. Their purpose is quite simple: to minimize the idle time, that is non-profit time, between two machining parts. Okay, so particularly when the setup is complex or takes long time, the palette changers are implemented to reduce this particular setup time and idle time. Idle time is always undesired side effect of any manufacturing. Machine tool builders have always made great efforts to minimize and even eliminate all or some idle time. One solution that has proven to be very effective in manufacturing concept is to use a special pallet as a part of machine setup. Pallets are social work tables. So pallets or pallet, what we call as pallet tables, are the special work tables that can be moved in and out of the working area. The only requirement is that the machine control system supports this particular feature, which means it has to support both the machine, that is hardware, and control side, that is software. So the process of pallet changing is called as automatic pallet changer, what we called as a APC. There are different types of APC, that is automatic pallet changer. So according to the design, according to the function, according to the utilization, there are number of aspects. According to design, we can 2 or more pallets, depending upon the machine model, you can design this particular system. According to function, one pallet inside the work area and one pallet outside the work area, in what is called as active and inactive pallets, you can design the system. According to utilization, you can also design the system, that is utilization of each and every part of the machine. But from the today's point of view, we can deal with the automatic pallets, types of automatic pallets. From the classification of automatic pallets, number one is manual pallet system. In case of manual pallet system, the operator has to physically load and unload the part, or that is what we call as a pallet. Load and unload the pallet with the raw or finished product, or located or from locking station located and mounted on the top of the machine table. There are important concepts for the automatic pallet system, is that most of the laborious work is done by converted into automated versions. However, still we can reduce the time and downtime also with the system. Look at this. This is the best example of manual pallet and depalletizing system. This is unlock. This is removes the pallet. Next pallet is, it will be side the pallet. Next pallet comes to the front of operator. Introduce this particular pallet and this particular lock. This is the locking pin, and this is particular working. So this is the example of manual pallet system. You can see this is the another system in which you can do a manual locking and unlocking of the pallet. There is loading and unloading of the pallet. You can see this is particular push button. It will lift the job. That is, lift the pallet, remove the pallet, side it, take the new pallet. This is the new pallet. Load, pushing means it is a loading. Loading the pallet, just press the particular button, which can operated using pneumatic or hydraulic press, be situated on the cycle, that is close the machine. So this is another system in which we can do work by using a manual system, what we called as a manual pallet and depalletizing system. Next is automated pallet system. These are the normally built into the machine and operated automatically by machine itself. The total loading and unloading is done by machine itself. Once the programming is done by the operator, the human intervention comes in from the loading and unloading of the part at the only pallet station. So this is the automatic pallet system. In case of automatic pallet system, we don't require a human being, or very less use of humans are there in case of automated pallet system. So what are the types of automated pallet system? Generally all mechatronics part, that is robots, are used for automatic pallet system. So what are the types of automatic pallet system we can see over here. They usually utilize two robot to load and unload the pallets. The robot is often able to serve one to multiple machines. However, these are fairly costly and may not be a programmatic in or cost sensitive markets. Over time, the state of constantly improving the technology may make such a system increasingly cost effective. Such systems are often sought in locations with the high labor cost or insufficient skilled manpower. Difficulties for such a system may arise whenever customized and very specific manufacturing needs are required. So what are the out of the three different pallet changing systems, most manufacturing companies prefer a automated pallet changing system. There are primarily two different types of automated pallet changers which can be integrated to CNC manufacturing system or machines. So number one is shuttle type pallet changers. You can see this particular pallet is there, and this pallet can be loaded into the machine and unloading from the other side. Beneath of this or under this particular pallet there are the rollers which push this particular pallet inside the system, inside the machine, and comes out for the another side. Look at this. I will just check the video. Just see the video. This is outside area of the machine. This is inside area of the machine. This is palletizing and this is depalletizing. Please look at this. Machine performs the operation. This is job loading inside. Job go inside the machine. Finished product out of the machine. It is depalletizing. On the first pallet, machine is working on the product. After finished, next job is inserted, and this particularly comes out of the machine. So palletizing and depalletizing. This particular machine is called as MU5000 two station APC shuttle type machine. These are the rollers on which this particular pallet is loaded and unloaded. Look at this. This is the outside area of the machine. So you can observe the shuttle type of pallet changers. A pallet with parts after completing that would leave the inside of a machine on rails. You can already see. A second pallet is then pushed into the machine. This system is considered a more traditional and may take a longer time for pallet exchanges to be made. Today they are usually found on larger CNC machine centers. Example is that horizontal machining center of AF16 is the best example of shuttle use which use shuttle type pallet exchanger. Next, swing type pallet exchanger. You can already, as name indicates, it is a swinging type pallet exchanger, not linear. It will be rotated. It will be swing about this particular arbor or axis. It can load and unload from one side and shift it to the another side. That is load and unload, machine inside and outside process is there. Look at this. This is a swinging type pallet changer. This is inside the machine, this is outside the machine. Look at this. Inside the machine it performs operation, swings around its axis. Look at this. It has different types, 180 type, 360 degree type. There are different types. It performs the operation. So this is a automatic pallet changer, which is called as a swinging type automatic pallet changer. The next is the pallet with the finished part is lifted up together with the pallet with the raw unfinished part. It is then rotated 180 degree or 360 degree and placed onto the CNC index or rotary table. At the same time, the first pallet is placed on the loading and unloading stations, such as simultaneous process of hooking up and unhooking pallets reduces the time needed and improves the efficiency. It is also provides a smoother changeover. The example is horizontal machining center A600, you already seen. Next is what are the different benefits of these automatic pallet changers. What are the different benefits? Number 1, improved machine usage through continuous machining process. This reduces the duration for non-productive manufacturing, as the setup can be done concurrent with the operation of the machine. In this particular, by usage of continuous machining process results in increasing the efficiency of machine. So non-productive manufacturing type reduces, it also reduces the setup time and hence increasing the operation of the machine. Next is vastly improved speed of changeover to a new part, completing it in the matter of second. So changeover time is very less, hence changing the one part to the another part is completed within less period of time. Third is simplify the pallet changing to a mere push of a button or command on the CNC console. The entire process is controlled on simple push command or a sensor control. So it is very easy, increasing the flexibility of a single machine to be deployed for multiple functions. You can machine the same part repeatedly and set up the machine to manufacture two different parts on the same pallet, or define it to the operation from 10 to up to the 20. Next, it allows for less operator driven process by changing pallets automatically via machine control. So operator interference is near about to zero in case of automatic pallet changers. It allows for the unmanned operation of the machine over a longer period of time, subject to individual cycle name for each. So it also reduces the human effort, minimize the manual intervention and hence human error. Due to the manual intervention, there is a chances of human error in the machining process or any operation. Due to the restriction of manual intervention in the machine, it reduces all or eliminates all the human error. Recover time lost to repeat setups for recurring part orders. It reduces the repeat setups time. It also recovers this particular time, hence increase the efficiency. This allows the production line to quickly begin work once the repeat order is received. So any part of the repetition, it allows quickly production line to come into action. It adopts high mix low volume manufacturing methods. That is most important, high mix and low volume. There are different varieties in the product in what we call as high mix, and but its volume, when considering with the low volume, This setup of automatic pallet changer helps to improve the efficiency. So what are the conclusions from this particular lecture? In the competitive world of manufacturing and factory production today, it makes sense to optimize your machine and to reduce its non-productive periods. This applies across virtually all sectors, from automotive and aerospace to general part manufacturing, mold and die, foundry, electronic industries. Automatic pallet changers are used in everywhere industry nowadays, from the aerospace, from the automotive, for general foundry processes, or any other critical electronic industries. This particular automatic pallet changers are widely used. Considering the advantages of automatic pallet changers, and switch to a CNC machine tool that can help to improve the cost effectiveness while delivering the efficiency. It not only reduces the cost but also it increases the efficiency. So automatic pallet changers are futures of this particular industry. Thank you. If you have any comment or query, then comment in the comment box. Thank you.